look at the term, what is a drop zone in golf? Well, it's a specific area in golf marked on a golf course where a player is allowed to drop or required to take a drop ball under certain penalties that include using the standard relief rules. Usually see drop zones on water hazards, forced carries, island greens, and holes where normal relief would slow down play or be unfair. This is often marked in a white paint and signed with says drop zone. Drop zone local rules is allowed or required on some golf courses. A ball could be lost or entered a penalty area where you're not allowed to go and you have to take a drop. In tournaments, it means speed of play and avoid typically hitting re-shots. Drop zone area only exists if the course and tournaments have created one, which is unique. So not every golf course has a drop zone. These are little interesting facts that we're tying in there in regards to the history. Well, a drop zone can date back as late as the 1700s and had very few options. Penalty strokes were usually a stroke or distance and replaying the shot, and courses added more water hazards and forced carries. They slow down play and repeat lost balls, unfair penalties for average players, and by the mid 20th century, tournaments committed themselves to having designated areas for drop ball areas called drop zones. The drop zone then became a phrase. This has improved the area where the ball may be dropped. Today, the USGA and others allow drop zones on modern play, and it is optional on golf courses and most commonly professional and high-level tournaments where it can be required. It's pretty self-explanatory. You typically see these on island greens, such as the TPC Sawgrass with the drop zone area, long carry fairways on par 3s or par 4s, and you can even mostly on some par 3s over water on golf courses all around the world. That's going to do it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding what the heck is a drop zone. Does it bring you one step closer? Take a look over here at our other videos and over here as we bring you one step closer to understanding the fundamentals of golf with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun and affordable golf in your area. Get out there, tee it up, and play a little golf in your local area. Until then, this is the Parfessor. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.